Thanksgiving and Christmas are just around the corner, and what a better way to bring the family together with this Salad Niçoise recipe. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for joining in. And if you are looking for ways to organize your kitchen as well as prepare delicious meals for yourself and your family, we encourage you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of our videos. In today's video, we are making this delicious, classic, elegant Salad Niçoise recipe. It originated from the city of Nice, and this elegant salad is enjoyed all over the world. So let's begin. Here are a few items that you will need. So you will need bell peppers. Any kind of bell pepper will just work. In this recipe, we are using the yellow bell pepper, but you can use orange, red, or green. Whichever one is perfectly fine. You also need fresh green beans. We are using a 12-ounce green beans. I prefer to use a fresh one because it still has that extra crisp to it. You will not be cooking the green beans until super soft. You'll just be blanching the green beans. We are also adding in 4 hard-boiled eggs, and if you are vegan, please remove the eggs. We are also adding in 1 head of red leaf lettuce. This will be chopped. We're also adding in cucumbers, red onions, radishes. Radishes have that peppery taste, that hint of peppery taste, which works well in this recipe. We are also adding in salad tomatoes, and if you don't have salad tomatoes, you can always substitute that with cherry tomatoes. We're also adding in black olives. Now this is completely optional. In this recipe here, I did not add in the black olives. However, when I did serve it to my husband, because he's a black olives fan, we did add it in his plate. We're also adding in canned tuna. Now again, if you are vegan, please remove that. Tuna is usually common in this recipe, or you could also use salmon, but I encourage you to not buy the tuna that's in the water because they're usually drier. So get the ones that is in oil. We're also adding in fresh basil just to give it a hint of freshness. And that's it. So let's begin. So as we continue to chop our vegetables, go ahead and roast your bell peppers. Now this will give it that slight charred flavor that you like in roasted bell peppers. And while the peppers are roasting, go ahead and continue chopping your other vegetables. So that way they'll be ready for you when it's time to assemble the salad. When you are done chopping, go ahead and cook your eggs for about 10 minutes. Remove the roasted peppers from the oven and set it aside until you are ready to use it. In a small saucepan, add salt. And when the water starts to boil, go ahead and add in the green beans. We are blanching or cooking the green beans for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the green beans and set it aside on a paper towel plate. Drizzle immediately with olive oil. And when it's cool enough to touch, go ahead and massage the oil in the beans. In a separate container or bowl, let's make the dressing for the salad. You're starting off with lemon juice, vinegar, olive oil. We're adding in salt and pepper. Whisk it well, just so that all of the ingredients are well combined, and set it aside. At this point, you'll also want to go ahead and chop your fresh basil. Once you are done chopping your basil, set that aside and move over to the lettuce. Once you are done chopping your lettuce, then you should have a combination of various vegetables. Now it's time for us to assemble the salad niçoise. We're starting off with the lettuce. Now you can do this in a large bowl if you prefer, or if you just want it to be fancy, go ahead and put it in a nice platter. Add your tomatoes, followed by the green beans. Now you can arrange these any kind of way you'd like. Just be sure that it's visually appealing. Add your radishes. And at this point, if you are going to use black olives, it's the time for you to add the black olives as well. Go ahead and add in your cucumbers. Once you are done adding in the cucumbers, add in the hard-boiled eggs. Also add in the basil, just to give it a hint of freshness. Add in the roasted bell peppers. Now you can serve this a few ways. You can drizzle it with the salad dressing that we prepared earlier and serve it as is, or top it with the canned tuna. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers.